we, as designers, we see our role more as facilitators.
We can look at where society is starting to behave differently and see if that's provoking new expressions of existing needs.
Imagine that, the need and the dream of design were very equal.
We are kind of co-designing with humanity in real time.
If you work more humanly, the output of that will be more human.
Everybody wants to have a life, and interfaces shouldn't be part of it.
Less, heads in our phones, more sort of like heads up and experiencing the real world, and technology is more in the background.
Here we are in this future where we're all living these dreams, but are we really living? But that's our life.
Take time to just reflect on what you're doing.
Part of my problem with user-centered design is it can be overly reactive.
The reason for failure for most of those is that the problem was not understood.
Machine learning and artificial intelligence are going through a renaissance that is larger, I think, than the internet, which was pretty huge.
I think we need a new way of thinking about privacy. As we're rocketing towards an artificial superintelligence state, our role as humans is actually lower than the role of the intelligence.
All of the stuff that we're learning in the tech world, imagine it was applied to some of these sort of human problems.
What will the self-driving cars be delivering? Of course, whole new kinds of services.
As technology is sort of getting close to actually mimic some of our human behaviors, I think the big question for us will be, what is it that makes us human?